In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with my website. We are going to use Shopify's Buy Button feature to place one of your Shopify products directly onto your existing website. This is a simple way to connect your store with a site you already have, without rebuilding everything inside Shopify. The process is straightforward, and once you have the code, you can embed it into many types of websites. First, log into your Shopify admin. After you are inside your dashboard, go to Settings. From there, you will want to navigate to the Shopify App Store. This is where you can add extra features and tools to your Shopify account. In the App Store, search for Buy Button. When you find the Buy Button sales channel or app, install it. This tool is what allows Shopify to generate an embeddable product widget for your website. After the installation is complete, open the Buy Button feature so you can begin creating your embed. Next, click Create a Buy Button. Shopify will then ask what kind of button or embed you want to make. Choose Product Buy Button. This option is best when you want to feature a specific product from your Shopify store on your website. After that, select the product you want to feature. Make sure you choose the correct item, since this is the one your visitors will see and be able to purchase. Once the product is selected, you will be taken to the Customization Editor. Here you can adjust the design of the Buy Button. You can change the button style, colors, and layout, so it matches the look of your website. Take a moment here to preview the design. A clean and consistent appearance helps the button feel like a natural part of your site. When you are happy with how everything looks, click Next. Shopify will generate the embed code for that product button. This code is what connects your website to Shopify and displays the product for your visitors. Now click Copy Code. After that, go to your website and paste the code snippet into the section where you want the product to appear. This is usually done inside the HTML or custom code area of your website editor, depending on the platform you are using. Once the code is saved and your page is updated, the Shopify Product Buy Button should appear on your website. That covers everything you need to know.